Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials so the visit flows smoothly. Bring your Medicard and a government ID. Once done, add recent lab reports or referrals if you have them. Make sure to confirm appointment time and clinic location the day before, and check whether a copay or form is required. Write down current medications, allergies, and one main concern you want the clinician to address. This preparation saves time and helps the provider focus on what matters most for your checkup. When you arrive, present your Medicard and ID and fill out registration. Accuracy matters for billing and records. Next, tell the triage nurse about symptoms, medications, and your primary concern. This directs which vitals and basic screenings are done. Once the nurse takes blood pressure, temperature, and weight, ask about any recommended tests and whether fasting is needed. Also clarify expected wait time and whether a specialist referral might follow. These steps keep you informed and prevent surprises during the. At the end, review results and plans with the clinician so you understand next steps. Ask for written or electronic instructions and schedule any follow-up or referrals before you leave. Once done, confirm how and when test results will be communicated. Make sure prescription changes are clear and request a pharmacy check if needed. If something goes wrong, delayed results, unclear instructions, or unexpected reactions, call the clinic number provided and explain the issue. This gets problems resolved quickly and keeps your care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.